Hello viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make biryani by using Kohinoor Biryani Kit. Let's get started. Open the kit. Here we have Basmati rice and masala spices and masala paste. Now wash this basmati rice for 2 to 3 times. After 2 times wash, now soak it for half an hour. Now add water for boiled basmati rice. Now add spices. Let it boil. While boiling, add basmati rice. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now heat a pan and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now dry roast 4 onions. After cooked the rice, drain the extra water. 80% of rice is cooked. Keep it aside. After dry roast onions, take it on a plate. Now add 2 green chilies, some potato and carrot. Fry well. Now add masala sachet. Fry 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now we need to layered dum cook for 10 minutes. Now add some masala gravy which we prepared before. And also add some onions, fried onions. Now add some rice. Some gravy. Finally add some fried onions. Finally add some coriander leaves. Now close the lid and dum for 10 minutes. Now switch off the stove and open the lid after 10 minutes. Dum biryani is ready. Thanks for watching the video.